Hey everybody, welcome back to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. This lecture is called Installing Your Underscores WordPress Theme. Alright guys, I got another easy lecture for you here. Basically, we're going to install our underscores theme. Remember we created and downloaded our Bootstrap to WordPress underscores theme using the underscores skeleton theme creator a couple lectures back. Well, here is the Bootstrap to WordPress zip file that I was provided. I downloaded. Here it is. Basically, go ahead and unzip that. Get rid of that zip file. Here it is. Here's the folder. And inside that folder, we're basically going to have the theme files for Bootstrap to WordPress. So you can see here, a bunch of files, a bunch of basic kind of skeleton files that we are provided. Here are basically the starter files that you'll need to create a WordPress theme. And that's what's so great about underscores is they give you all those files so you don't have to worry if you forgot the comments.php file or functions.php, index.php, blah, 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 blah. It's all kind of here for you to start with. That's why underscores are so great, because it gets you up and running with WordPress even faster. We're all about going faster and more efficient here. Because if you had to do all this by hand, take you forever, you'd waste a whole bunch of time, you'd lose all your hair, and you wouldn't make very much money. So WordPress saves you time. Well, Bootstrap saves you time. WordPress saves you time. Underscores saves you even more time. So awesome. All we need to do now, it's very simple. There's a couple things we could do actually. You can install your theme two different ways with WordPress. You can do it in the dashboard. So if I log in here, I can go to Appearance right here in the sidebar, and I can add a new theme. And then you go ahead and hit Upload Theme, and then you can take that zip file and add it right here, and then install. That's one way of doing it. The other way is putting the theme directly in your source code or your source directory. So here's the Bootstrap to WordPress site. If I were to go to Content, Themes, right here are the themes that are built into WordPress by default. 2012, 13, 14. It's just their default WordPress themes, but I want this one in there as well. Take that, drag it in there. Boom. Now the theme is available for us to activate. Go back to your dashboard, refresh your themes, and you will see Bootstrap to WordPress is there for you to activate. So let's, why don't we go ahead and activate that? Here we go. So now the theme is activated. If we check it out, obviously the theme is not going to look very good. It's just a plain skeleton theme. But this is what we need to start. And that's it. That's it for this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture where we're going to be going even further and hooking in some more important information into our header and footer and getting everything up and running. See you in the next lecture.